BabyBus.
Hi! Click here to subscribe.
What's that smell? Oh. Fire! Run away! Run away! It's a fire!
Watch out!
This way! Watch out!
Are you okay?
I got hurt. Call Super Rescue Team.
Super Rescue Team, the woods are on fire! Come save us!
Emergency! A fire in the woods. Super Rescue Team, time to move out!
Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Red flames and black smoke are all around. Help us to get out of the fire. Super Rescue Team, come save us.
Look! Here they come!
Here comes BabyBus with a large water tank. I need a backup, the tank is empty now.
Someone got injured here!
I'll take care of him.
Don't be afraid, we're here for you. Check your injury and then treat you. Everyone, now let's get out of here! Super Rescue Team mission complete!
Thank you, Super Rescue Team! Thank you for saving us, Super Rescue Team.
That's what we do.
Huh?
The fire is out. Everyone's safe now.
Yeah, great!
Kiki, we need to hurry.
Oh my, we got stuck in the mud!
Help! We need some help.
Monster Car Rescue Team, we need your help!
Okay, we'll be right there.
Monster Car Rescue Team, go!
I have a big cargo bed. I am Monster Truck. Oh, there goes the siren again. Monster Car Rescue Team, go!
Huh?
Mom, what's happening?
It's an earthquake! Mimi, Timmy, come here! Do you know what to do during an earthquake?
Yes!
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake.
Big earthquake!
Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous.
Dangerous! Stay calm, please. Hide somewhere and crouch down. Hold on tight with your hands. You must do this to be safe. To be safe!
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake.
Big earthquake!
Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous.
Dangerous! Stay calm, please. Careful of windows and shelves. Please stay in a safe place. You must do this to be safe. To be safe!
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake.
Big earthquake!
Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous.
Dangerous! Stay calm, please. Wait until the shaking stops. Do not use the elevator. You must do this to be safe. To be safe!
Big earthquake, shaking, shaking, big earthquake.
Big earthquake!
Dangerous, shaking, shaking, dangerous.
Dangerous! Stay calm, please. You don't need to cry and shout. Just wait for help to come. You must do this to be safe. To be safe! Please be safe! Please be safe!
Is everyone okay?
Thank you, firefighter elephant.
You're welcome. You did a great job today.
When there's an earthquake, we need to protect ourselves.
You're right.
Kiki, are you okay?
My leg hurts so much.
What do we do?
We're deep in the forest. Ambulances won't make it here.
Look, Kiki, there's a railroad over there. We can call the train rescue team. I'm sure they can help us. This is Mew Mew. Kiki got hurt. Please come help us.
Got it. We'll be right there. Choo-choo. I turn on my siren. I'm Steam Train. Rescue team, all set. I lead my team with my big stack. I'm Steam Train. Let's go.
We are the train rescue team.
Rescue team. We are brave and powerful. When you're in danger, don't be afraid. Let's go. We're the train rescue team. Yeah.
Get on. I'll take you to the hospital.
I run faster than any other. I'm high-speed train. Let's go! Running like the wind, I fear nothing. I'm high-speed train. Watch me! We are the train rescue team. Rescue team. We are brave and powerful. When you're in danger, don't be afraid. Let's go! We're the train rescue team. Yeah! We're almost there.
I have strong and powerful wheels. I'm electric train. We can handle any problem. Let's do it together. We're the train rescue team. Rescue team. We are brave and powerful. Brave and powerful.
When you're in danger, don't be afraid. Let's go. We're the train rescue team. Yeah! Train rescue team!
Train rescue team, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Train rescue team, brave and powerful.
How sweet! I love lollipops. I'll share some with Timmy. Oh no! My lollipops! Someone stole my lollipops.
Oh? Hey, thief! Stop!
Here comes police car chasing the thief.
I have a flat tire, what do I do?
Here comes work bus with many tools.
Help me fix my car.
No problem. Check the flat tire, let me use my wrench. Change it with a brand new one. Haha, it's done. The bad thief, he stole the lollipops.
I can't find him, what do I do?
Here comes BabyBus flying in the sky. Help me find the bad thief.
No problem. Take a look on the left, take a look on the right. Look up, look down, and look all around. Haha! I found him.
The bad thief, he stole the lollipops.
I can't catch him, what do I do?
BabyBus and work bus, please.
Help me catch the thief.
No problem.
One on his left, one on his right, one in front of him and one behind.
Haha! I got you, thief. These are mine.
Aliens visited Earth, but they can't go back to their home planet.
Why?
They shrunk their UFO and then lost it. Super Rescue Team, they need your help to go back home.
Got it. No problem. Super Rescue Team, please help us. Without the UFO, we cannot go back home. Super Rescue Team, please help us. Please find it for us. We want to go back home.
Don't worry, we'll get it back to you.
Leave it to us, please. Super Rescue Team, let's go now. BabyBus, fly up in the sky. Is it now? The aliens UFO. BabyBus is flying around looking for the UFO. It's not our ship.
Super Rescue Team, let's go now. Work bus, take a look around. Where is it now? The aliens UFO.
Is that it?
Work bus is putting up the ladder looking for the UFO.
It's not
Thinking fast, looking for the UFO.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's our ship! Thank you, Super Rescue Team!
Not at all. That's what we do.
Earth is a beautiful planet, but we have to go back home now.
We hope to see you again.
So do we. Bye! Bye! Bye-bye!
Bye!
I'm so bored. Let's have a race.
A race?
Yeah, great. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, Oh, mechanics, we are hurt. Please help us.
No problem.
Follow me.
Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. You are so dusty, I can help you. Let's take a bath with many colored bubbles. Wipe here, wipe there. Wow, so clean!
My headlight is broken. Please check it.
Okay.
Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. A dim headlight, I can help you. Let's put in a new light, big and bright. Shining, shining all around.
Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. What's wrong with you? I can fix anything.
Hey, magic toolbox, come and help me out now. Pliers, spanner, screwdriver.
My tire is flat. Can you change it?
Sure. Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look.
A worn tire, I can help you. Let's change your tire, nice and round. It's all fixed now, off you go. It's all fixed now, on you go.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please be more careful from now on.
Yes, we will.
Mr. Dowell, would you like some donuts?
Yes, please.
Huh? Help! Oh! Help!
Watch out!
That was close.
Beep, 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 beep. A big reap ahead.
Oh no! Emergency brake! Cast the anchor! Come help me, please! Help!
Kiki, Mew Mew, I need your help.
Okay, Super Rescue Team, let's go! Goggles, backpack, watch, rescue bus ready, set, let's go! Here we go, Super Rescue Team. Vroom, 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 we got a new mission. Let's speed up, we have people to save. Super Rescue Team, go, go, go!
This is Work Bus, help you on the ground.
This is Helibus, help you in the air. This is Marine Bus, help you in the sea.
Super Rescue Team, go, go, go! Super Rescue Team, almost there!
Here we go, Super Rescue Team. Vroom, 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 we can go anywhere.
Call us out whenever you need help.
Super Rescue Team, go, go, go!
Oh, it's dangerous! Hurry up!
This is Work Bus, mission complete.
This is Helibus, mission complete.
This is Marine Bus, mission complete. We'll do anything to keep you safe. You can trust us, vroom, vroom, vroom. Here we go, Super Rescue Team.
Super Rescue Team. Thank you so much for yesterday.
Not at all.
Here are some donuts. We made them for you.
Wow, donuts!
Emergency! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Okay, Super Rescue Team, right away.
No, I should go.